So this is the basic human that I did before, and then you were thinking that how I'm gonna go do the rigid body stuff, right? But before that, just let's add this one first to the hands, alright, like that. Okay, make it like that a bit. Right, where is it? A bit like that. A bit like that. Okay. No, just a bit like that. Right. Where is the portion? Right. So just make this smaller. Make it a bit more like that. Yeah. So that can look like almost same shape. Right. So just copy this one. Put here like that. And then probably just follow those rotations if I want to, but seems good. The rotation of these and these looks good. Between these and these, right? Yeah. So just negatify it. Easy. It's gonna be correct. Trust me, no problem. I'm trusting the data here. See, correct. So now, let's say that I'm making the static first. Okay, it's under static, and it has a collision bounds of convex hull. And this one, don't worry about it. This one is very important. Change it to rigid body and change it to convex, and this too. Okay, rigid body and change it to convex. Okay. Just example. Okay, so now I'm going to attach this to this, right? How am I going to do that? All right, so firstly, you need to solve the what you call the pivot issue first. So Shift S, cursor to selected. Okay, so press space and set its origin to the 3 cursor. So its origin point is here. See, when it's rotating, see, it's like that. So, and then you can add a rigid body to this. Alright, make it like a cone twist 45. I'm making cone twist 45. Alright, link collision. Okay, here and press here and here, Control J. That's it. This portion here is gonna cover already. Don't worry about it. So let's start it. Oh yeah, sorry. I think this one is a problem. Hold on. Shift S, cursor to selected, and then set origin to 3D cursor, and then just do the same shit. This one is gonna be on the hinge. It's hinging to this one. Hinge. Make it like a 45 degrees angle. Yeah, I think that's it, I guess. Oh wait, I didn't join it up. Control J, join. Sorry. Yeah, there it is. Now the hands. But because it's struggling with this one, so this should be under. Okay. To solve that, Shift A, add a. I can use this one. Shift D. SX. GZ. So just make just when you see in Z, it's inside here. See, it's inside there. Yeah, means that it's not going to have contact with this, but instead it's going to have contact with these. Okay, so we need to change this one to this one right here. Let me see now. Let's hide it first. I can see here. It's inside here. So, come on. Wait, I need to hide this too. Easy. Yeah, it's gonna be here like that. You know, if this was I'll lock it on Z, make it rigid body. Rigid body, collision bounds under convex, and lock it on Z, right? So, and then the outer layers, you know, you select this two, Control J. So this outside layer is going to be the collision bounds also, but it's not going to affect the whole section. It's just only going to affect this one when it's rigid, you know. So let's see now. Where is it? Okay, there you go. So it should be. I just got them duplicated. Sorry. Yeah, there it is. It's moving, but wait. Let's set it to, because it's contacting with that one, so I need to set this under no collision. Set everything to no collision first. This one and this one's under no collision. You have no effect with that one, and also this one. Yeah, no collision. Yeah, wait. It's there. Let's lock its translation first. See? Yeah, it's contacting with this one too, sorry. No collision, right? Yeah. If I put this under dynamic, and now I can see it clearly. Yeah, see the hands. Yeah, it's moving like that. No problem about that. So when two sections, if you look at it properly, right, I can hide this if I want. Oh, no, wait. It's selecting all. L ish, hide. Okay, and I take, yeah. So this is the section that is contacting with this. Just only these two, but the outside part is the one that is also governing the collision. So if this model is hit, you know, this outside part is going to cover the collision, but the jointing is going to be covered by this inside here, this one. Yeah, it's inside here, the whole thing, this one and this one. Yeah, that's how, you know. That's the difference when you have make a Control J, join the mesh. It's something else. Yeah, that's how. Yeah.